following the appointed DRRM rules that our schools teach us. So the programs that the school uh, put us under are very essential to actually preparing ourselves in our homes. So for example, earthquake drills, hazard mapping, and preparing emergency bags. Those are actually very good practices to have, not just in schools but in our homes as well. And secondly is uh, the infrastructural integrity of our homes. Obviously, our schools are a separate matter because they are managed professionally, but in our homes, it is up to us to ensure that our appliances and breakables are uh, well stored and stabilized. And third and probably last is the essential concepts such as first aid and the first aid kit, as well as evacuation routes and essential hotlines. We have to keep these in mind in the event of a disaster that forces us to be displaced and evacuated from the vicinity.
Para sa akin, ang isang magandang paraan upang mapaghandaan ng mga mag-aaral kapag may darating na lindol ay ang pag-participate sa mga drills na nangyayari o ginaganap sa mga ating paaralan, kagaya na lamang ng earthquake drill, upang sa ganun ay magkaroon ng ideya o guide kapag sa totoong sitwasyon ng earthquake ay kapag ang earthquake ay nangyari na. During earthquake drills, marami tayong natututunan, or there is one basic knowledge that we have, which is the duck, cover, and hold. Tas kapag nag-stop na yung ring ng bell, that's the sign na lalabas na tayo ng building, but still holding or keeping our hands in our head. And that's all.
Well, in terms of earthquake, I think we have to be calm and make sure that the buildings are well constructed, or if ever man nga dati crack, mas maganda if may reinforce detoy with the or seek the help from the authorities like dito yung school tayo, GPD, RRM. No, daman ti PDRM tayo. Kaya di ubrain lang duck, cover, and hold kasi di ubrain to every drill. That's why there is a drill every quarter, or yatap no mas ma-enhance or mas kaya tayo nga overcome the fears if there are any fears when it comes to earthquake, and mas ma-prevent the casualties.